Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your audio issues on your TV speakers for your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So are you having audio issues on your Xbox One where there's no game sound or party chat coming through your TV speakers and you literally can't hear anything? Well, there could be a simple solution just because the settings on the Xbox One are a different setting or they're completely turned off. So I'm on the home screen of the Xbox One right now. Let's press the Xbox button, pop open the side menu, go all the way to the right to the new Profile and System tab and go down to Settings. Select A on this. Now under General, let's go over to TV and Display Options. Select this. Now on the right hand side, let's go over to Video, Fidelity, and Overscan. Select A on this. Now make sure on the top left, the display is set to Auto Detect and Recommended. Now let's go back. Then go down to Volume and Audio Output. And under here, on the right hand side of the screen, if it looks like this and the entire middle section where it says Speaker Audio, it is blacked out or it's kind of darkened, go over to Headset Audio and switch it from Windows Sonic for headphones to stereo uncompressed. Now here is one of the problems right here. For the speaker audio, the HDMI audio output is turned off, and this is set for automatically for me some reason. What you're going to want to do is switch this to stereo uncompressed or one of these other options depending on what you have for your home stereo setup. So I'm just going to switch it to stereo uncompressed. And now the audio through the HDMI cable is going to be actually able to go through to the speakers. Now on the left hand side of the screen, let's go over to Party Chat Output. You're going to want to put this to speakers or headset and speakers. If you are using a headset, you may want to have this on headset and speakers. So when you unplug your headset or you don't use your headset anymore, you can actually hear the audio through your speakers. And you don't have to go back in these different menu systems to change it around. So those are probably the two most important things that you have to have on. Make sure your audio output right here is actually turned on instead of off. And then for party chat audio, make sure this is set to headset and speakers or just speakers. So if this video did indeed help you fix your audio issues on your Xbox One so you can actually get sound through your speakers, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. And subscribe down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.